Hey guys, meteorologist Doug Heddy. It turned out to be a great Wednesday for us today and pretty quiet for us tonight. We're going to drop back right around 60, 61 degrees. A few little clouds, could see a sprinkle in the morning, but besides that, we look pretty good as we go up to about 84 by the time we head into tomorrow afternoon. All right, tomorrow night, nice and calm. Once again, we drop back into the upper 50s, and then heating up a little bit more on Friday afternoon as we go up to about 86 or 87 degrees. Chances for thunderstorms spread in. This is going to be late Friday evening, Friday night into Saturday morning, and then we'll start to clear out just a bit. But we are going to have those thunderstorm chances around as we head into the weekend. 84 Thursday, 86 on Friday. Scattered thunderstorms, 83 Saturday. All right, guys, have a great Thursday.